Hi, and welcome back to another installment of The Proper Way with your host, Chris Proper. And today I'm going to show you how to reattach this flapping around downspout just in time for the rainy season. So we're going to install an anchor into this cultured stone here. The first step is to remove this old strap, since that's what we're going to be anchoring to the stone. So that's a 1/4 inch bit. All these bit sleeves are 1/4 inch. Save that screw. And so that's where it was fastened. I'm not gonna pull out a level because this thing doesn't have a straight line on it at all. So we'll just screw right into that. So you can see where the old anchor pulled out. I'm gonna remove this with Phillips bit. And then just hold on to this green plastic anchor to remove that. Might need pliers. Just like so. So in order to drill into masonry, you need a masonry bit. It's got that carbide tip on there. And use the appropriate bit for your anchor. You can kind of see the diameter of the anchor compared to the drill bit is similar. So, oh, it's crazy. I don't have a hammer drill. And here's my buddy who's here to finish up the job. Hi, Sucky. What are you doing, you little stinker poops? What's up? No, I don't have a hammer drill. So normally you would have a drill with a hammer drill setting, which means as it's spinning, it's also hammering into the stone. But this is soft enough and the drill bit's new enough to where we could still drill in. Whenever you're drilling into concrete too, make sure you get all the dust out. It'll help with the anchor and take our screw. Oh yeah, snug as a bug. So now that the anchor is installed, we're going to fasten this strap to the stone. Going to take one strap, hold it tight. Now that looks a little crappy, so we'll put this one on the bottom. And just like so. That's not going anywhere. Well, that's on there pretty solid. It's not going anywhere. It was flopping around, putting a lot of stress on the metal up there on that outlet of the gutter. And now we know that the water's going to go away from the house. I don't know. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like and subscribe and leave any questions in the comments section. Until next time, goodbye.